Hello, today you're looking at the Mattei 75 horsepower rotary vane air compressor brought to you by Lanco Corporation. This is the model C300MV. This unit has a 75 horsepower motor and is 230/460 volt. This unit also weighs 2,910 pounds and is 44 by 84 by 78 inches overall dimensions. This unit will be fired up so you can see it run, and it's fully operational and functional. The run hour time is 34,049, and this unit is currently available through Lanco Corporation. We will now power up the unit so you can see it run.
There's a 10-second delay.
10-second delay on the unit. If you're interested in this unit, please contact Lanco Corporation at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.